So if you are looking for an online job or a remote job and you are finding it very difficult to get clients online, this video is for you. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually build a personal brand which will help you get clients online. Now the thing is this, many people find it very difficult to get clients. Not that they don't have the skill, but because they're not using the right strategy. And the right strategy is when you are building a personal brand for yourself. Now, when you build a personal brand, it helps you get this client, because when a client sees your personal brand, they will be convinced that you actually know what you are doing. That's the reason why many freelancers have social media platforms. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all these things. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Bukastic, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you different ways on how you can actually get remote jobs and also business ideas. So if you are interested in getting online jobs, the strategy you need to apply to get an online job, and also business ideas, all you have to do is just to click that subscribe button, like this video, so that YouTube is going to notify you anytime I post new videos like this. So with that said, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to know the services you are rendering. Okay, know your services. It can be digital marketing, it can be graphic design, video editing, AI, virtual assistant, any skill at all that you have. That's the first thing you need to know. Okay, so if you don't have any skill, try and learn a skill. If you are asking me which skill can you learn, man, you can learn so many skills, but for me, I'm a digital marketer, so in case if you want to learn, you let me know. Okay, so make sure you have a skill. That's the first thing. The second thing you need to do is to build your CV. Okay, you need to build your CV, because many of them will ask for your CV, so you have to build your CV. Okay, so you can actually use Canva to build your CV instead of going from one place to the other, paying people to do CV for you. You can actually use Canva, especially the free version. So when you use Canva, you design your CV. So that's the second thing you need to do. The third thing you need to do is to build a portfolio. Portfolio is very, very important. Now with your portfolio, people will see some of your previous works, the people that you have worked for. Now in case if you have not worked for anybody, this is what you need to do. Try and meet people, maybe your friends, your family, your neighbors, your siblings, anybody at all. Render some of your services to the person. You understand? Maybe the person can pay you a small amount of money. As far as the person is someone who is close to you, just look for people that are close to you. Render them some of these services. Okay? Now, when you do that, all you have to do is to ask them to give you something like a testimonial or something. You understand? Then you can add all those things to your CV or your portfolio. Okay, you can add it to your CV, you can also add it to your portfolio. It will make people to know that yes, you actually work for some people. So try and build a portfolio. Meet some of your neighbors, your family members, anybody at all. Tell them to allow you to work for them, then they will pay you. Now the next thing you need to do is to create social media handles. Make sure you are on LinkedIn. As far as you have the digital skills and you're looking for online jobs, make sure you are on LinkedIn. You need to be on LinkedIn, because many of them will ask you for your LinkedIn account. They will ask you for if you have a LinkedIn account or something like that. So LinkedIn is very, very important. Also make sure you have a Facebook page. Not just a Facebook page, but a Facebook page that represents you. Okay, your face must be there. Don't use logo, don't behave as if you are from one company like that. That's one of the mistakes a lot of freelancers are doing. Those who are looking for remote jobs, a lot of them are making this mistake. They try to add logos that represent a company. Now, representing a company is just like, it makes it look somehow expensive, because these clients are looking for individuals, but you are coming out as a businessman or a business lady. You understand? So you have to represent yourself, you have to show your face. Most of the things you are doing, let it be an individual brand. That's why we call it personal brand. Okay, not business brand, personal brand. Your face needs to be on your profile picture, both on LinkedIn or anything. The most important account you need to create is YouTube, Facebook page, LinkedIn. These three accounts, very, very, very important to represent your brand. Okay, so now the next thing you need to do is to go for cold outreach. Okay, go for cold outreach. Reach out to some companies out there that will hire you, especially companies that fall under the niche where you can easily get these jobs. So the first thing to do is to go on Indeed. You can try Fiverr, you can try Upwork, you can try freelancer.com, you can try 99design.com, you can also try Y Combinator. Okay, some of these websites that I just listed, you can use this platform to get online jobs. So if you are doing it as a freelancer, you can use Fiverr, you can use Upwork. I'm going to list all these companies on the comment section. So go to the comment section, you see all of them. So all you have to do is just to join some of these platforms and also render your services to them. Now there is an easy way for you to get clients. I said something about code outreach, right? And I'm going to explain that on another video. So all you have to do is just subscribe to this video so that you can watch the video later on. I'm going to upload something on code outreach. Now the easiest way for you to get this client is to run adverts. Use your money, run adverts on Facebook, you can run adverts on YouTube. Okay, try to run adverts so that you can get this client, you target them. If you're not doing the social media marketing or digital marketing, look for people that will do it for you. That one is the easiest way. You can reach out to them today when you start running the ads. Okay, so that's the easiest way for you to build a personal brand for yourself and get clients online, in case if you are looking for a job.